5 years ago, I decided to transform a designer retail brand into a hybrid business philanthropic model where 100% of the company's net profits go primarily to directly support translational and next-generation medical research. Now, I admit that taking on such a challenge is a New York lawyer's nightmare. Maybe something like being general counsel to the White House. What I did was to create the Geoffrey Beene Cancer Research Center at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. Simply put, the research center, headed by Nobel laureate Dr. Harold Varmus and a dedicated team of international scientists, is focused on initial stage, out-of-the-box, revolutionary research that I am hopeful will discover solutions for treatments and preventions of all cancers. Next, I went further and founded the Geoffrey Beene Foundation with its lead mission to support research and public awareness around the most costly diseases as measured in both lives lost and societal impact. One such disease is Alzheimer's. Now, I've gotten lucky a few times in my life, but the luckiest was when I met my wife, Mara. Mara is extraordinarily loving and supportive of me and has been instrumental in much of my decision-making for the foundation. Mara and I both wanted to make an impact on Alzheimer's. And once again, I got lucky. I met Meryl Comer. Within 15 minutes of our meeting, I knew that Meryl's TV journalism credentials and her private life as the devoted, hands-on Alzheimer's caregiver, now for 17 years, for her physician NIH husband, would provide the talent, passion, and conviction needed to lead another foundation I wanted to create, the Geoffrey Beene Gives Back Alzheimer's Initiative. With Meryl, no cure for Alzheimer's is a phrase that does not exist in her vocabulary. I shared view with Meryl that sustaining medical research as a national priority requires public awareness and support, led to my co-sponsorship of the HBO documentary series, The Alzheimer's Project, and the creation of the Rockstars of Science. This spirited campaign, as you saw earlier, that asks Nobel laureates and leading researchers to lighten up and make science a bit more accessible, is designed to put research at the top of the charts as a national priority and help an impatient public respect the timelines of science and those dedicated researchers whose lifetime passions bring life-saving therapies. A personal thanks to Drs. Collins, Varmus, and Fauci for being such great sports as our first rock stars in order to help inspire our youth to careers in science and medical research. Let me also congratulate the research scientists, doctors, and companies dedicated to enhancing the quality of our lives. If we can make research a national priority now, we will save precious lives and trillions of dollars later, and the cost of healthcare will diminish. Be assured, Rockstars of Science, as a philanthropic trademark under the Geoffrey Beene Foundation, will continue to look for innovative ways to positively engage the public on the continuing need for major funding, public and private, in medical research. Thank you again for this honor, which I realize is usually reserved for celebrities and those with high Nielsen ratings. And thank you to my partner and beautiful wife, Mara, who persuaded me to accept this honor. Together, we share an undeniable passion for research. Thank you all.